set some tool offsets. We've got two tools here. I've numbered them just to keep track of them here. Obviously they're very different, tool 1 and tool 2. So I'll put tool 1 in here. What I'm going to do is zero it against a known spot here. So I'll just use the edge of this jaw here for the X and this radius here for the Y. And I've got this set on tool 1. Notice I didn't select offset, I just set it on tool 1 for the first one. Just touch off very gently. You want to crack the tool. Just zero it. And the X, come out here, touch off the Y on the edge of the jaw here. Call that 0. Obviously it's not 0, but it's just going to be a repeatable point that we're going to use to set the tool offset for the other tool. So take this tool out, put in tool 2, crank it in. Now I'm going to select the tool offset function. So hit menu, down, 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 offsets. Hit the select key, tool number 2, select. And don't forget we're going to touch off that vise, or sorry, off the jaw. Right here again. Very gently, I don't want to wreck the tool. Tool 2, that's 0. But here, touch off the Y, coming inwards. That's 0 there as well, because we called it 0 when we were setting the tool before. We're done with tool offsets, so we'll get out of that. So now you'll see that the tool number is 2. Touch off this end of the jaw here. Tool very gently. And we got 0 here. Come over here and touch off on the Y direction. 0 again. Let's put tool 1 back in there. Select tool 1. There's our new coordinates. Let's come out. Touch off our reference point there again. And the reference point is arbitrary, but it's just repeatable, so we have a nice spot to touch the tools off. Touch off there. Touching off the jaw. X is tool 1. X is 0, pretty much. I don't want to crash it too hard in there, so it's not very repeatable, but come off on the Y here. 0, okay? Now what we can do now is start it up and skim off a little section on this thing here, call that 0. Okay, on tool 1 now, doesn't matter which one, because we know what tool offsets are set. Skim off the end, I call that 0. Skim off a little diameter. A little bit out of off center here, but we'll just skim off a little section here. I'm just going to leave that for a second. I'm going to see what that is. Okay, so 850. Let's change tools. We'll put tool 2 back in here. And we'll touch off. We'll select tool 2. Oops, went too far. Tool 2. Let's touch off the end and see where we end up. Remember, that's supposed to be 0. 0 on the X. We touched off. Touch off on the diameter. Remember, it's supposed to be 850. 850. So you can see, using 2 different tools, or up to 99 different tools, we just set our tool offsets off a common known point. Could use this to set them off, but we wanted to use this just to illustrate the point. And there you go. Hope that's more clear than it was before.